Our next topic is multiples. And you know very well about multiples because you have studied in class 4th and 5th. So what are multiples? First, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. So 5, 10 and 15 are the multiples of 5. Similarly, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16 and so on. So 4, 8, 12 and 16, these are the multiples of 4. Then next topic is LCM, and LCM is what? Lowest common multiple. For lowest common multiple, for LCM, we are having three methods. The first is common multiple method, then second is prime factor method, and third is common division method. So first I am solving exercise 8C, question number 1. Using the common multiple method, find the LCM of following. So exercise 8C, question number 1. 8, 12 and 24. So we are finding here LCM, lowest common multiple, by using common multiple method. So first one is 8. Now write the multiples of 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56, 8 8 ja 64, then 8 9 ja 72, then 8 10 ja 80. Similarly for 12. 12 1 ja 12, then 24, then 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. Similarly for 24. 24, 42, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, then 192, then 216, last is 240. Now you have to write this as M, then in subscript 8, multiples of 8, M in subscript 12, M in subscript 24. Now the common digit which we are having in multiples of 8, 12 and in 24. So as you can see, 24 we are having here, then again we got 24 and again we got 24. So for 8, 12 and 24, 24 is a required LCM. Like this you have to solve question number 1. Next is question number 2. In question number 2 you have to find LCM by using the prime factor method and the common division method. So this question number 2, first we have to solve all the questions from question 2 by prime factor method, then by common division method. So question 2 I am solving here. 100, 150, 200. Now the prime factor method. Simply in prime factor method, you have to factorize. So there is 100, so we will start by 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 0 ja 0. Again in last 0 we can start by 2. So 2 2 ja 4, but 1 remaining here, the 0 will become 10, 2 5 ja 10. Now it is divisible by 5, 5 5 ja 25, then 5 1 ja 5. Similarly, last digit is 0, so we can start by 2. So 2 7 ja 14, then 1 remaining, 0 and this one will become 10, 2 5 ja 10. Now 7 plus 5 12, and 12 is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 1 remaining, 5 will become 15, 3 5 ja 15. Then from 5 5 ja, then 5 1 ja. Next is 200, starting from 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 0 ja 0, 2 0 ja 0. Again last 0, so we can start by 2. Then 2 5 ja 10, last followed by 0. Then again last is 0, start by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 1 remaining, 0 will become 10, 2 5 ja 10. Then now 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5. Now in this question, factors of 100, 150 and 200 we are having. So first is 100. As you can see, 2 into 2, we got 2 times, so we will write 2 to power 2, into we got 5 2 times, so 5 to power 2. Then next is 150. As you can see, 1 in 152 is alone, so only write 2. Now 3 is also alone, so write 3. But 5 occurs 2 times, so you have to write 5 to power 2. This 5 to power 2 indicates that 5 occurs 2 times. Then next is 200. As you can see, 2 occurs 3 times, so 2 to power 3, into 5 occurred 2 times, so 5 to power 2. Now we are having here 2, 3 and 5. These 3 digits we are having here as factors. So the greatest power of 2, you have to write the greatest power of 2. Required LCM equals 2. As you can see, we are having 2 to power 2, 2 to power 1 only, 2 to power 3. 2 to power 3 is greatest, so write 2 to power 3, into only 3 we are having, so we have to write only 3, into. Now in this 5, as you can see, 5 to power 2, in all factors we are having, so simply write 5 to power 2. Now 2 to power 3 means what? 2 into 2 into 2, then into 3, then 5 to power 2 means what? 5 into 5. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, then 24 5 ja 120, then 125 ja 600. So your required LCM is 600. So this is the process of prime factor method.